What is the best way to track someone's location using their phone number?
Hello, and welcome to our discussion about mobile location tracking. Before we dive into the subject, it's essential to emphasize that tracking someone's location using their phone number without their consent is illegal and unethical. It's important to respect each other's privacy and always seek consent before sharing or accessing someone else's location data. Instead of discussing ways to track someone's location with their phone number, let's discuss how you can share location data ethically and responsibly.
What are the legal and ethical ways to share location data?
Location data sharing can be incredibly useful in a variety of contexts. Parents might want to keep track of their children's whereabouts for safety purposes. Friends may share their locations to meet up, or companies might need location data for logistics and supply chain management. 1. Consent. The most important factor in sharing location data is consent. Always ensure the person whose location is being shared has given their explicit permission. 2. Use established apps. There are many apps designed for shared location data, such as Google Maps, Apple's Find My Friends, or Life 360. These apps provide controls to users, allowing them to decide when and with whom to share their location data.
How can I use location sharing features ethically?
When using location sharing features, there are a few best practices to follow to respect others' privacy and use these features ethically. 1. Be transparent. Explain why you want to share location data, what you will use it for, and who will have access to it. 2. Provide control. Allow the individual to control when and how their location data is shared. They should be able to turn off location sharing at any time. 3. Limit data use. Only use the location data for the agreed-upon purpose. Do not share it with others without permission, and do not use it for other purposes without additional consent. So, while it's technically possible to track someone's location using their phone number, we must remember that it's illegal and unethical to do so without consent. The best way to handle location tracking is to use established apps, seek explicit permission, and respect privacy rights at all times. We hope this discussion has provided valuable insight into ethical location data sharing. Remember, privacy is a right, not a privilege.